along.
De lo que lo esperaba y esperaba que fuera muy malo.
Hold on. Resistance activity here. Hold it right there. But the resistance is active here. Have you seen anything suspicious?
Not that we know of. Only
Obviously. Be sure you keep them in mind. Looks like we'll need recon in this sector. Thank you. You seem very interested in that data pad.
Yeah.
I'd like to know what you're doing with it.
I'm trying to be...
What are you doing with that data pad?
I'm trying to scan you.
All right. Proceed. But stay on civilian frequencies.
Oh, that's fine.
You don't ask the questions. That's a no. Thank you, citizen. Not at all, citizen. Travelers, goodbye. You are stopped for questioning. Your cooperation.
legitimate? They will shut us down in an instant, just like that. So.
Right here, zero station. Builder, right here, zero station. Builder, right here, zero station. Builder, second. Builder, right here, builder, second. Builder, right here. Builder, right here. Builder, right here. Builder, right here. Come on down, we'll split this up. We're all together. We're all coming. Okay, right there. Come on down, my friends. Perfect. Okay. Builder, right here. Builder, right here. Very good. Who's that? Okay, I think so.
Welcome, builders, to the workshop. We have to bring you in here carefully to protect our sanctuary. Now you're safe. I'm sure taking a look around, this all may seem like a lot of junk. And even if the First Order were to come in here right now, all they would see is useless scraps. But we see useful tools, and to us, this is everything. Let me introduce Darush and Lucas. My name is Freddy, and we humbly call ourselves the Gatherers. We are scrappers who have searched abandoned planets, forgotten outposts, and even the remains of ancient Sith and Jedi temples, and we have found a variety of relics and some functional odds and ends. Brought them back here for all of you. We do this to preserve our history, to ensure a better and brighter future than what we have. For you see, we are in troubled times. The First Order and the Resistance create tension throughout Batu and the galaxy, putting us in dire need of heroes. Then they have appeared in the past to shift our future. Heroes like the legendary Luke Skywalker. Now, new Jedi amongst us. Rey, our spark of hope, bringing balance back to the galaxy. Luke and Rey answered the call, and I believe you're all here because you heard that call. That call that leads you to build this. The lightsaber. Elegant, powerful, mysterious beyond most of our understanding. It has been wielded by some of the greatest heroes and gripped by their mightiest rivals. It is a direct bond between the builder and the Force. And now you will feel that connection. But to build a lightsaber is no easy task. It is an ancient art that requires something with great power and something very small. It requires the kyber crystal. This is the heart of the lightsaber. It both enhances and sharpens the power of the Force into a blade. And the color of your crystal will determine the color of those blades. Now there are many to choose from in the galaxy spectrum, but we have managed to gather 4. Beginning with the blue crystal. Once wielded by Master Obi-Wan Kenobi and his young apprentice, Anakin Skywalker, and now by Rey. Green, held by Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Master Yoda, and Luke Skywalker. Violet, rare, and oh so beautiful, once wielded by Master Mace Windu. And of course, red, crystal of power. This has been grasped by Darth Maul, Asajj Ventress, Darth Vader, and now by Kylo Ren. That's enough of their stories. We're here to talk about the legends of the future. You, all of you. So all that come around with the crystal canisters, imagine your path, your color. And once you have it, place it on the green plates just under you. Well, they are not Will you join Rey in the path of hope? Or do you seek another power? Oh, red. Hi. And now for the hilt. The hilt is the foundation of the lightsaber and the center of control. Sorry. I got some legs. The hilt will also keep your hands from getting disintegrated, so this time go ahead and pick up the pieces and become familiar with them. We are going to go through each of these pieces together. So, let's explore. On the very far left, that is your chest. In rows 1 and 2 are the grips. In row 3, the emitter. In row 4, the pommel. In row 5, 2 sets of activation plates that will contain the power of the crystal in it. I will be guiding you along with the help of the bell gatherers if you need it, so keep up the best you can. And now, looks like everyone's ready. Let's build. Pick up your chassis. You'll notice thin vents and an opening. That will be facing upwards. There is a center chamber, and within that center chamber, just above, is a spring pad. Grab your crystals, place them into that center chamber. Use that spring pad as a touch guide to help you place your crystal in an up and down position. You should hear that humming noise. both the crystal and the finish applied up. And if you don't, let us know so we can assist you. This is a difficult task, so if you're having trouble placing your crystal, let us know. So once again, we can help. Would you like my assistance? It's okay. There we go. All right. Once you have your crystals in, hold those chassis nice and high. Let's see those beautiful, powerful colors on it. Now we can move on to the activation plates in row 5, all the way down to row 5. You're going to select a matching set of activation plates. Turn them around on the other side, you'll notice a red square and a blue rectangle. And on your chassis, you'll notice a red square and a blue rectangle. Like a puzzle piece, you're going to place the red square directly on top of the red square and the blue rectangle directly on top of this rectangle of your chassis until your pieces are clamped together nice. And once your pieces are together, find your activation switch, push up against it, or slide it up to hear a misfire. Now we must hear that misfire. If you do not, let us know so we can assist you. Red square to red square, blue rectangle to blue rectangle. Push up against that activation switch. Listen for the misfire, and once you've heard your misfire, you can move on to the grips. In rows 1 and 2, you're going to select any 2 of the 4 grips in front of you, any 2 of the 4. 1 for the bottom and 1 for the top. But you will notice that every single grip has a thicker, wider band on the inside. That thicker, wider band must go first, so that the thicker, wider band leads at the center.
Yep, see that? Push and twist.
Must go first. Whether you place it on the top or the bottom. Once you got both grips in, push in toward the center. Twist and secure. And once you have your grip secured, make sure that that activation switch is still working out for you. Want to get through this. Nice and easy.
Very good, and then 1 more for the bottom. Perfect, 1 more for the bottom.
Now that you have both grips on, you can move on to the emitter in row 3. The emitter from row 3 is going to go on the open slot of your chassis. That open slot. Simply place it on top. Twist. And secure. You can turn your chassis upside down to feel the power cell. Place the bottom of the board on top of that power cell. And just like you feel there, twist and secure. Once you have that last gear on,
It's easy to do, so it's okay to do that.
welcome around and inspect your fire work.
Have your place right
We're
here.
assisted to complete it.
After that, upside down. Nice to the very bottom. Very good. Then have the place over here. All right. Are you happy to see each other? Yes, I am. Very good. It actually works.
I think it's okay. It feels good, it looks good, it must be good. To activate. To deactivate, I will let you know when, okay? Good work here. I'll take this off your hands.
So for you to that means deactivate. Good job.
Are you happy with your building?
This is on your way. Great job, Builder.
Sounded a little low.
All right.
Much better. Much better. I guess it was just a little. So I will tell you when to activate and then deactivate, okay?
All right.
Good work. I'll take this off your hands. stabilization chambers. We do this because we are not force sensitive, and we do rely on technology to give us a helping mechanical hand of sorts. This way we can resolve the issues now before we end up with more holes in the wall. That's probably didn't happen on our watch, right? Right?
Sure.
Alright. Looks like everything's going really well right now. So, before anything goes wrong, let's go ahead and stabilize this first one.
Chosen according to the skill you have, chosen with heart. When joined, they are much more they will become. For you, it is done.
Wow. That was Master Yoda. So, the Force must be strong in this earth to summon the legend behind us. Yes, we are going to forge that bond between Builder and Lightsaber. So let's finish this the way that we started, together. Builders, return to your stations. Place your hand on your hilts, focus your energy, and together, activate. Raise your lightsabers. You have just built a lightsaber. Like the Jedi and come before you. And like the music to change the galaxy. Remember all it says. This is smart. I know you tried. Raise it high, builders. You did it. Good job. Now please, lower gently from lightsaber. Back on.
Complete your lightsaber is. Like your path, you can. Choose your path. You can. May the Force be with you.
And with you. Thank you, Master Yoda. And thank you, Builders. Your reach is unique and extraordinary as the lightsabers you hold in your hand. Now in your hand you hold remarkable power. And remarkable power should not be dropped on the ground. But to protect your lightsabers, we're pleased to present the safety sheets you asked for. Our time has come to an end. But your journeys are just beginning. It's time for you to make your mark in the galaxy. And who knows, maybe one day we'll be right here, telling all of your stories. But until that day comes, stay safe out there. As we stay out here in the outdoors. Till the fire. Till the fire!
Thank you.
Safe travels. Congratulations. Good job, my friend.